The robots aren't coming, they're here. An Austin company has deployed robots in dozens of hospitals nationwide, and this is only the beginning. They're freeing up nurses and healthcare providers so they can focus on patient care. Check this out.
Hello.
Say hello to the future of human-robot collaboration. This is MOXI, a robot
and uses all these sensors. It's got LiDAR and cameras to navigate around.
built by Austin-based Diligent Robotics. Andrea Thomaz is the co-founder and CEO.
So Diligent Robotics is really bringing robots into work with teams of people, creating teammate robots that take on work that those teams of people don't want to do.
Right now, MOXI is in more than 30 hospitals nationwide, working with healthcare providers by taking menial tasks from nurses to enhance patient care.
So we are really helping hospitals, we like to say, augment their workforce. So they've been in a critical crisis in terms of not having enough staff, burnout, and what we want to do is help them make sure that the people they do have are working most effectively.
One of the roles MOXI is taking over is supply and medication deliveries to hospital rooms.
Say I'm in the pharmacy and I've got this medication here that I'm going to load in. I would,
I'm here to pick something
there
up.
we go, MOXI's ready to pick up, and so I would have to scan my badge to open a container, and then I get to put it in, and I close the container, and then MOXI will go to the nursing unit.
At the end of last year, MOXI robots completed 500,000 deliveries across the fleet.
And that's 500,000 times that a nurse or a pharmacy tech got to stay in their department doing their real job, and a robot was able to kind of save them 15 minutes, 20 minutes.
MOXI was deliberately designed to be smaller than most people, with a wide face and compassionate eyes. Its program uses AI and machine learning to navigate hospitals. This is MOXI's learning lab. Here, MOXI learns how to map the hospital floors, and this is a simulated elevator. MOXI comes in, there's a panel right here, and then MOXI learns how to press the buttons to go up and down and really learn the hospital.
As it's learned how to open, 300, 400, 500 doors across the country, then you get to start to use those same models across the fleet.
Thomaz says the applications are endless as we launch into the robot age.
The time where we get to start thinking about how robots are going to enter society is now. Like, we have robots that are ready to kind of work alongside people, and we get to define what that's going to be like.
Walt Maciborski, CBS Austin News.